Rebecca Suerdieck, and I'm an educator at historic Jamestown, Virginia. Today I'm here with a very special guest. This is a real person that actually lived at Jamestown. To her, the year is 1621. Allow me to introduce Marye Bucke. Thank you, Rebecca. That's right, I'm Marye Bucke. I come from London, and I'm one of the first women to ever live here in Virginia. I've been here about 11 years, and I've seen so many changes. Why did you come here, Marye? My husband was appointed by Bishop of London to represent the Church of England in the whole of Virginia, and he arranged that we should travel together on the same ship. I should tell you about that sometime. I'd like to hear that sometime. You know, it's not every day that you get to meet, speak to, and interact with a person from the 17th century. I do it all the time. If you'd like to learn more about Marye, please visit maryebucke.com. That's MaryeBucke.com. And teachers, be sure to sign up for the free email list where you will receive lesson plans and SOL-based curriculum for free. It teaches all about life at Jamestown in the 17th century. You'll also receive instructions on how Marye can visit your classroom, in person or online. I have loads of stories I could tell you, and you can ask me anything you like. Thanks for watching.